Quick video on how to replace the HVAC module in a Jeep JK. This is not as in-depth as a lot of people make it sound. You do not have to remove all of this stuff. First thing you need to do is pop out, whether you have a cubby in here, pull that out, or if you have power window controls. So it's gonna come out the front here. Use a trim tool to get it started. Then you can pull it out. You can only pull it out a little bit, and you need to turn it sideways so you can get the connector off. The wiring on it's not very long. Push that child-proof connector over, and then this thing comes right off. That will expose a 7mm bolt that you need to pull out. Then we will just be pulling this front piece off, or forward just a little bit. After that, you can see down in here we have a tab on the left and a tab on the right, and those are the reason people say you need to remove this entire panel, but you don't. Next up, we're going to use our trim tool to go around the edges here, and we're going to get into this piece and start popping it up. Okay, so trim tool, just pick a corner and work your way up, work your way in there. It'll sound a little scary, but there are just some plastic clips that you have to start separating. So we're going to go around the edge here, separate them all the way around. This is the part that gets people tripped up thinking they have to remove this whole thing. We're just going to pull it forward and this will fall out. So sometimes you have to get up in there and move the little tabs out of this hole. But that's all there is to it. So it's way easier than a 25-minute video. Then we're just going to go through all the basic things you do, disconnect all your electrical connectors, and then we're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the old module from the bezel here and screwing the new one on. So there you go. Phillips head screws, take that sucker off, put the new one on, and you'll be good to go. If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Thanks for watching.